Need to wear my official t-shirt tonight. Guys, you are f***ing insane. What are you doing? I posted this video yesterday and I asked for some help for Philip to buy him his charger. We now have like let me have a look. It's like 187 people have now donated. Well, at the beginning I was planning to put all their names on my website as well, similar to what I do for my beer donations as well, just to thank people, to acknowledge them for their kindness and support. But this became quickly very clear it's not possible. The flood of donations coming in since yesterday morning, since I posted this video, is sheer insane. And well, I don't know how to thank you enough for what you are doing there. That's just incredible, generous. You are such one of a kind. Yeah, that makes even me speechless. And this is not easy done. And I received many emails as well, and people even offered more help. So we will do a little bit more than we actually anticipated at the beginning. For the moment, I would say we can clearly say we have reached our goal. We've got all the money together to buy him the charger. We probably have exceeded it a bit. I don't want to say too much in this video here. I really want to get Philip here on the show. I want to have a video call with him, which I will record then, and ask him some questions, just have a quick chat, like a bit of an interview, you know, just to get the feel and the vibe. Just another donation. Thank you so much. Yeah, and I don't really know, guys. Thank you so much, really, from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for all your donations. If small or big, it doesn't matter. It's just the generous giving, helping, assisting in this matter to get him a good charger, prolong the life of his battery, and get him out there. Man, he can charge. It is just, I don't know, I don't have words. The video came out yesterday morning at 5 a.m. and when I got up at 5:30, I could already see donations flooding in like crazy. People must have just watched the video and clicked on the donation button. This is just insane. I would like to pick one of the many emails I have received. It is from Eric. He is from New York. He told me the story that he is paralyzed as well. He has donated money for the charger for Philip, and he hopes to build up his own solar at some stage along the fence line. And he's suffering from a very similar illness than the multiple sclerosis. It's called, I need to read this, it's called transverse myelitis. I hope I pronounced this correctly. And he's writing the reason for this illness is unknown. So he just got it and nobody knows exactly why. This email, just as an example, shows how generous people are. They are in the same or similar situation as Philip and are still supporting each other. That is so kind and generous. It is really unbelievable, guys. Okay, I would say we can really say this was a 100%, a little bit over 100% success in getting Philip this charger. I have not heard from him since. I don't think he has watched the video yet. I don't think he knows anything about it. I have sent him an email tonight, just before I started this recording here. In his last emails he mentioned he is very busy at the moment. So hopefully it is just that and he is well. And hopefully he's watching this video and, well, we will see if we can get him here on the show very soon. I have also contacted the marketing department of Victron again and told them about the donation, the fundraising we are doing here at the moment for Philip, and asked them if they want to add something on top of that, or if they want to, you know, promote their product, do a photo shoot or something, you know, a personal handover of the charger to Philip or something like this. Unfortunately, I haven't heard back from them since. I will contact them again tonight. Hopefully they are responding and they are willing to help and get something done. And I have also a generous offer from Andrew. Well, he's getting some discounts on Victron products as well through his company, and he has generously offered to take this discount to get the charger actually cheaper. Well, these are only some of the emails I'm getting in support of this project. Yeah, I can only thank you again for your generosity, for all the money you have given. Some people really went insane, but it's not about the amount you have donated, it is about the donation itself. I will now close this link after you've seen this video here, because when this video comes out I'm still sleeping, so I need to do it afterwards. I will change the link back to my beer donations here for the channel then. Thank you so much for all your donations here for the channel as well. It really helps a lot. And I hope we can get Philip here on the show very soon, and I will reveal how much money we have actually collected and where the charger is coming from and how he will get it and all these details of this amazing project. So again, thank you so very much for your help, for your assistance, for your donations. All right. Jeez, I tell you, this was the official part of the video. We are getting a little bit more relaxed now, and it is just insane. Since yesterday, since these flood of emails and donations came in, I really didn't know what to say. I would never have expected that, really. Well, on a different note, we have gotten a mail here, and inside should be just what we were waiting for quite some time. This is the LML. Oh, is this the right one? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Okay. Reflection. There it says 7812. The spare part for our battery tester. We are going to repair this tester very soon as well. The video is coming here on the channel then. And, yeah, something else. I need to show you. When you get some heavy boxes with your name on it, and it has the logo of QSO. What are they called? Kishu. As I always said Kishu, but it's actually called Shishu or something. I don't know. Someone mentioned this. I have forgotten. We've got new delivery from Shishu. Heavy box. Looks like. Wait, there's more. There is another box from these guys. A smaller one. We probably need to. Oh, just had some rain and they got a bit wet, but they are fully wrapped in plastic. Alright, I guess next video will be a little bit of an unboxing video, and we will have a look what's in these boxes. Alright guys, I don't want to make this video too long here because I still need to edit it tonight, upload it, put a description in there, and schedule it to be online tomorrow morning at 5 AM again. Okay, this was just a quick update. I just want to let you know how this donation went. You are amazing, guys. You are fucking amazing. Thank you so much again. Thanks for everything you are doing. Not only here on the channel, this is just nothing in comparison what you are doing for others. Thank you so much again. And well, while I got you here, stay charged and safe, right? That's important too.